Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to show the chat and space tab in Gmail. Just click Gmail in your phone and then click three lines in the top left corner and just click setting and select chat. So you can turn on this option to show the chat and space tab. Just click turn on. So here the chat and space tab is appear. Just simple. Okay, that's how to show the chat and space tab in Gmail. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation and extra thanks. Bye bye.